Okay, welcome back everyone to our video. Uh, so last time we saw that we added one post call for our proposals where a renter can give a proposal for the given property, like how much rent and deposit he or she can give. And now one more thing we have to do is to add that proposal into the get service call. So whenever a user make a get call to a property, the property details should also have if a proposal was made or not. So one way we can do is the same way how we get for wish list. Is in wish list or we can same way if it is not in wish list. Sorry, if there is a proposal, we just show that proposal, and whenever user clicks on send a proposal button, uh, the already entered details will be shown there. So let me just log into our application first. Okay. So we are logged in. Okay. So let's just see if how we can add it. That part basically. So one way we can do is find user ID. Okay. Okay. One way is to get why we get this. Where if there are multiple, then it will be called multiple times. Okay. So one way is get all proposals. Should we go with that because we need to know if that has or not, and every property will have, we can have multiple as well, but for a given user, for a given property, there will be always one. Okay, so let's just get proposal. We can do this. Get doc ID, then proposal ID will be let's just get this how it will be. Okay, first your user ID, then your property ID. Okay, let's just add this here. Let's just get this here. Then let's just take this ID. Okay, and proposal details will be self dog. Okay, we don't have the proposal collection. Okay, so let's just take the proposal collection into our property resource file, and yeah, user collects. Okay, get a single document from the proposal collection where keys dot proposals dot proposal ID is same as proposal ID. Oh, sorry. Let's just add this directly. Okay. Now, one way we can do is if proposal details is none, so what we need is not none, then doc keys dot property dot proposal details will be proposal details. So let's just add this key, and now we have that. So same way we will be doing for all. Details. Okay. Names are a bit different for a different use case, but we will be needing it. Okay. And one last place will be here. Let's just change all the things variable. Okay, so we have added into our get property details call. Let's just see if this is working. Go to that. Let's just open our postman and see if it is working. So what we need to know is if there is a proposal, then the proposal details are coming or not. If there are none, then nothing should be coming. Okay, proposal. Okay, we have our headers already added. Let's just make a call. Ask user is not present. Ask user to create account. Okay, let's just remove this. Okay. So you can see we are getting all the proposal details for that user. Okay. What if there is no? How to test that out? Okay, one way we can do is let's just log into our MongoDB we remove this proposal and we'll see how it comes. Like is that key only shouldn't come. So having an Android project which will be a nullable type. So if it is not there, then by default it will be null. And if it is there, it will simply have all the proposal details. Okay. Now whenever user tries to update if needed, it will simply update this key always and all the other values like these four. Confirm argument will always be true. Okay, let's just delete this and call this out again. Yes, so we don't get a proposal object now after this. So we have updated that part. So now we can check how we can update our Android part. Now after this, one more thing will be the patch call. So let's suppose users a ranker updates like he or she doesn't want to confirm to the rank. He or she wants a less revised rank. So instead of post, it will be a patch call. So but before that, we have to make that change into our Android project to know like is it a post call or a patch